Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Uzigun with the Rubik's Cube. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks and then turn it twice. Now count 2 blocks and then turn it twice. Count 1 block, turn it twice. Count 2 blocks, turn it twice. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, turn it twice. Count 1 block, turn it twice. Now it won't quite line up here, so count 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks and then turn it twice. And there you go, you have your Uzigun. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.